Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Clean. Just showing you today we are working on a commercial property where there is a lot of mould and moss and mildew growing on the asphalt. This is probably a very bad section here, you can see. So asphalt, as you can see from just looking at it, is a textured surface. It's got a lot of holes and it holds a lot of water and moisture, which is why it's kind of prone to developing this kind of, let's see how bad it gets here. It gets very, very heavy. So this is a respite center, and they have a problem with it becoming very slippery. So you can see here we'll be cleaning all of this up. So the usual processes we employ, we'll be doing this deck as well, is to put down a chemical formula so that we can start to kill the spores, and then it's really a matter of just washing through the asphalt. And asphalt, you'll probably be able to see from my other videos, it's a laboursome process. It takes quite a bit of time to do it because you've got to really give it a thorough rinse. You can see it's pretty bad through here too. So yeah, I'll show you the process as we go, but I think you'll be amazed at the results, and we're looking forward to delivering that for this customer. So I'll show you the results at the end, and yeah. Okay, so you can see here all the chemicals being laid down on the asphalt, and you can see it's all gone brown here. In many sections it's started to go white, which is exactly what we're looking for. So if you look over here where it was really, really heavy, here example, you can see all the matter is starting to die. And that's what we want it to do, because we're going to have to unlodge this from the asphalt. And the nature of this is that when an organic matter is starting to die, it'll retract its root system, and that's where it makes it easier for us to actually then clean it. So these are the finished results. The concrete's come up really good. Look at the asphalt, beautiful. Now with asphalt, you'll see here some faint residual marking. That is going to be inevitable with asphalt. It's just that because it's such a textured surface, it's very hard to get these line marks out after you work with it. Also, asphalt is quite soft compared to something like concrete. So anything soft will always have some residual marking in it. But have a look at this. It's come up really good. All of the mould and heavy moss that had been building up in all the little crevices is gone. Right through there you can see that, and also right through here there was some pretty heavy mould and moss build up. And the beautiful thing here is that we used the chemical to actually kill those spores as well. So you can see here we also did these steps, which came up really good, and then right through here we did all of this deck. Look at this, amazing. Gotta love that. So the primary concern for this client was not having a slip hazard, as you see there, and because they have elderly folks here as well as people taking care of them, that was a primary concern. But I hope you can see here the asphalt's come up really, really good, almost like new. So we're really happy with the results. And so if you have a look at that, that's come up like pretty much new. Fantastic. If you've got asphalt and you need it cleaned, if you're preparing for sale, you've got an asphalt driveway, or if you've got a commercial car park or whatever it is, give us a call. We'll give you a quote, and stay in touch and check out our other videos. There's plenty more that we do besides this, and you'll get to see that. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.